Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss PF62, that is how to generate IDP initiated SSO URL for WS-Fed connections. So you see for SAML, like you can directly able to see in PingFederate when you're onboarding any connection, but not for the WS-Fed, right? So how we can get that address and how we can test the IDP flow, we'll just quickly discuss and I'll show you. So let's begin. See that we have our WS-Fed application here. So let's open that. So yeah, you don't see any address here, right? So how you can test or generate the IDP flow for this connection? So again, like it's a simple task only. So first of all, like you need to have a base URL. Like let's bring that. So this is your base URL. Copy it and bring it there. Now you need to find what is the endpoint for the WS-Fed connection. So just go to IDP endpoints and then scroll down. I think we already discussed this part in a very beginner, like previous, like very in the initial we just discussed like this part. So let's copy this address. You can keep this address here. So the base URL, then the endpoint. Now you just need to use the query parameter, and then you need to bring two things here, right? Okay. So one is like the identifier of the app. So identifier is like it's nothing but a WS-Fed test app, right? This is the identifier. This is the connection ID. So you need to define this connection ID not with the partner SP ID but with the WT realm. Okay, and also you need one more thing, that is WA equals to W sign in 1.0. That is basically to initiate the IDP flow. So I already tried, so that's why it's appearing here. So base URL, then you have the WS-Fed endpoint, and then two parameters, WA, W sign in 1.0 just for initiating the IDP flow, and then WT realm for the identifier of the app. And once you test this, you can see you'll able to see the IDP initiated flow. Right. So this is directly you jump to the PingFederate, just authenticate, and then you can get back to the application. Right. So this is the way like you can generate the IDP initiated SSO URL for WS-Fed connections. Okay. I hope you understand. Yeah. If you have any questions, please put in the comment section. Thank you.